Okay, let's just arrive in a nice comfortable position and with an open heart, an open mind, with an open awareness. And just that intention can begin to help you feel much more expansive, like there's space. And if you'd like to close your eyes, and just bring your attention just beneath your belly button, just breathing slow and low to help tell the nervous system you are safe. Now, there's no music with this episode, so I'd like to utilize some of your senses. And we'll begin with your left ear. And I'd like you to bring your attention to the left side of your body. And with your awareness, just become aware of all the different sounds coming and going with your left ear. And let's just begin to expand your awareness to take in as much of the left of you as you possibly can. The left side of your body, and then everything that's on your left. And I wonder if you can get a sense of how much space there is on the left. That there's no end to your awareness. No boundaries, no lines. Your awareness can seem to stretch into infinity on your left. And now move your attention to your right ear. And just listen to all the sounds coming and going with your right ear on the right side of where you are right now. And then just begin to expand your awareness completely, taking in as much of the right of you as you possibly can. And can you get a sense, again, of how there are no boundaries with your awareness? Stretching far off into the distance. And now begin to move your attention, your awareness, behind you. Maybe you can feel the pressure of anything that you're leaning against. But become aware of the space behind you. And how that feels. And now above you, moving your complete intention into the space above you. Getting a sense of how endless your awareness becomes in any direction. But for now, it's above you. And now moving to your eyes. And even with your eyes closed, You may be able to get a sense of an ocean of awareness that stretches out in front of you in your field of vision. And getting a sense of expanding your awareness fully in front of you. It's like an ocean of awareness that's just there. And I'm beginning to get a sense of the space that completely surrounds you and how your awareness is not trapped inside your body, but expands completely with no boundaries around you and into the distance. Everything is happening within your awareness. And can you, for the last minute, just feel that spaciousness? Maybe you feel connected as one with everything around you. As the boundaries blur, illusionary boundaries. Feeling connected and at one with the universe. And now just giving yourself a wonderful inner smile. Just reflect on what that experience was like for you. Maybe something stirred within, and this feeling of being connected felt familiar. Like you remembered this from before. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back to your surroundings. And can you just, even with your eyes open, get a sense of that space still? And I wonder what that would look like going into the rest of your day. It's easy, isn't it, that when we're in a meditation, we get this wonderful sense of peace and stillness and spaciousness. And we want to often take that into our everyday life, but we think we can't. We think that once the meditation's ended, that moment of peace, that we then jump straight back into this hectic world of ours, which can push and pull us in different directions. But I just want to point out, and Adyashanti talks about this quite a lot in his work, is that when you recognize the open awareness that's within you always, I was just directing it with you with this meditation. When you become aware of that open awareness, you can take that with you, that spaciousness into your day. That's an element of taking meditation with you, living meditation, breathing a meditation, rather than something that you practice for 5 to 10 minutes or longer and then leave behind. Think about that for a moment. If you could take that into your day, I wonder what difference that would make to you. I want to say thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed this quite a different episode today. Let me know in the reviews what you thought of it, and I'll look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day.